Rachel. Thanks for coming back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this super easy DIY salon-like blowout at home. I'm obsessed with this. It's just a way of treating myself without breaking the bank. I have straight blonde between thin and thick hair, and so it's super easy to manage, but it also doesn't hold style well. It doesn't hold curls. My hair's always straight, so having straight hair is kind of boring. So having a blowout really gives me a sense of something different. In this video, you're also going to see my hair care routine. Anyone who's out there with similar hair type to mine, I just want to share that with you. If you're interested in seeing what products I use to get my hair healthy.
Hi everyone. First of all, this is day 2 of the blowout. Still looking great, and this is after it's been in a clip. Second of all, for some reason the rest of my clip went missing. So if you're interested in seeing how to DIY a salon blowout or my hair care routine or both, thank you for watching.
Hi everyone. So right now I'm in my comfy, it's not name brand, it's this giant fluffy blankets dress sweatshirt situation. My hair's not dry enough yet to begin the blow drying process because your hair should be like damp dry. So I'm just gonna quickly show you what I use in the shower. Fun fact, I actually double cleanse my hair, and I know you're gonna be like, oh my god, what is that? Why did you do that? 2 reasons. Number one, because one of them I use to improve the look of my hair, while the other one I use to clean it. Number 2, the first time around may not necessarily get everything, if that makes sense. First, start with the Garnier Hoblins Honey Treasures shampoo, and I put that, literally glob it onto my head, and I use this thing I got on Amazon, and I just basically scrub it everywhere. This like helps really clean it. It helps with volume because since my hair is really straight and it's like between thin and thick, it's like in the middle. Straight kind of weighs it down, so it's not as voluminous as I would prefer. This really helps, and I found great results. It's gonna be linked in my description box, don't you worry. I also use John Frieda's Go Blonder system because I am a darker blonde who has an identity crisis. I try to keep my hair as light as possible without making it unnatural. It's a little bit expensive, not gonna lie. I would honestly suggest that you all start double cleansing your hair. And before I blow dry my hair, every time I shower, it doesn't matter if I'm leaving it blown or natural, I use the Garnier Gentle Detangling Milk. This stuff saved my hair. I first got this when my local CVS was going out of business, and it's just brought moisture back into my hair. It's made it fluffier. I know that's like not really an adjective when it comes to hair, but it's really improved it. This is the bougie part. You're gonna see this in a later video, but I may or may not have splurged on Olaplex. If you don't know what Olaplex is, it's a really bougie hair care system. It's not crazy expensive, but it's not cheap. I use their Olaplex Hair Perfector once a week on Sundays, and then every time I shower, I use the Olaplex number 6, which is a bond smoother. So I'm gonna put that in my hair right now, middle to end. So I'm gonna brush it through one more time. And now I'm going to section my hair. I'm splitting it about halfway. I'm going to take this part and twist it up. Just like that. And now I'm going to take this and just split it in half. Like so. I'm going to clip this out of the way just until this section gets done. Plug in my fake Revlon blow dryer. I really thought I was getting the real one, but I paid half the price for it. And my hair always comes out swimmingly well. Link this one down in the description box below. I think it was like $25. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start. Oh no. Oh, I keep rolling over my toes. Please decide it's cute to maim me. Oh my god, this one looks worse actually. We're gonna start here and just slowly make our way down, and we're gonna pull it like that. Okay. Keep it tight, and you're gonna go over the same spot probably about 7 times. Someone keep a tally of how often these lights blink. This is one section of my hair blow dried. A little piece of it is still wet, but I actually do that because I'm gonna go over it completely after. Now we do the other side. Focus on your roots in the beginning and then pull out slowly. Just like that. And you're gonna keep rolling at the bottom so you can get the blowout swirl. Okay. This is the bottom section. What I always suggest is take your brush and brush it as if you're blow drying it, because this will help maintain the shape while you're still working on it. You're gonna wanna pin your dry sections first, which I forgot to do. So, pretend you have bangs, right? Okay, brush it out, twist it in the front until you get like the Founding Fathers vibe, and put it away for now. Just don't deal with it. So now you have this whole back. You're actually gonna go and you're gonna brush it down with this. And you're gonna focus less on the roots and more on like the middle and the ends. Never stop pulling tightly. This is a big section, keep in mind, so you can even break this up and start in the back. You don't need hair by Chrissy without her mask. Always do both sides of the hair. That's another important thing. Because if you're blowing, let's say you only blow out the front, the back of your hair is not going to be dry. And this is going to be an arm workout because it's going to take time, you know? Doing your hair takes time. Okay. Now, this section is mostly dry. So this is a really fun part. What we're gonna do right about now is we're gonna pull all the other hair back, pin it back. We're gonna do the front. And the reason we have it shaped like this is because we're gonna work with this one a little bit differently because we want it to look very voluminous. You're gonna do this one is you're gonna go under and you're gonna keep turning and pull out. It may get a little hot, pretty close to your face. But I have to take a break, my face feels really hot. Your roots are all dry and you can tell this some so irritating. Okay, my hair is mostly dry now. We're gonna do the flip. And now my hair looks very flowy, very 90s model. And you see all the volume up here. It's gonna finish up by getting all the bottoms to match with each other. You're gonna grab this and just angle it towards your face like that. And then for one last voom moment, you're gonna do just these two parts on the low setting. Pull and twist. And there you are. Look how fresh, voluminous my hair looks. It looks like I could have just spent $200 at a salon when I spent what, $30 on Amazon? I'm gonna just put in some Bedhead TGI blowout styling cream. It's gonna keep some of the shine that comes from having a blowout. Here is the final blowout look. Oh, I love this. Easiest blowout ever. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Let me know down in the comments below what other videos you want to see. I'm aiming to post every Monday and Thursday. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see more of me. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Bye.